Hi, this is my old video that I decided to post. To fill all the tiny places in this mold, I recommend to open or bend it like this. I filmed the molds already and resin has cured. I used pearl dyes for epoxy resin. We need to make a base of the pendant, and therefore I pour resin on top of the mold. Make sure that there is no dust on the surface, and don't pour too much resin to prevent it from leaking. After curing, we have the following result. You can see some leaks that formed because I took out the elements at this stage of work. Then I placed them back into the molds, but some space appeared between the resin pieces and the molds. And during the next step, liquid resin tried to fill that space. Next I tint water with watercolor and add silica gel. This is a cat litter, so you can find it in a pet shop. You can watch this video with silica gel to see the difference in dyeing. If you use food coloring, then gel crystals will be transparent. Leave crystals to dry. I decided to add a bit of luminophore. I'll use resin to glue silica gel. I wanted it to be motionless, so it'll serve as a background. And after complete curing, you can add glitter or other filler. Now I cut out the circle of plastic box, a bit smaller than the diameter of the pendant. I apply resin all over the pendant. Clean the inner side of the plastic circle and place it on the pendant very accurately. And something heavy goes on top. And this will help to avoid gaps. After a couple of days we can check the result. Not perfect, but not so bad either. If there is extra plastic, cut it off. Everything seems to be fine, so we can proceed to the next stage. I apply the final layer of the resin. The second pendant I decided to sand with a fine sandpaper to increase adhesion. Here is the finished work. In some places glitter stuck to the front side. It doesn't look very nice, but overall the shaker turned out well. elements.